Hey guys, I'm making this video because I lost all the videos showing the rear and front suspension build for this car that I've done so far. So I'm just going to kind of give you a quick overview of what I've done so far. This is the rear upper and lower control arm that I had in the car. I put these in years ago when I did the air ride setup. It was an eBay buy, and these lowers are absolute garbage. What I got was not what I thought I was getting, and these are just absolute pieces of crap. No bushings. The guy just welded a piece of pipe through a piece of 1.5 by 3 inch rectangular tubing. These holes are supposed to be for the sway bar. They're not even spaced out properly enough. I couldn't even bolt a sway bar on. This notch I put in just because I needed the clearance for the so it didn't hit the frame. Don't judge my welds. They're garbage, I know. But I was mad. I just wanted to make it work and get it in. But the car rode like crap because, yeah, no bushings. You could feel it in the car. But it's out now. I'm moving on to bigger and better things. The uppers actually weren't too bad. They actually had a bushing. They were adjustables, which were nice. But you can tell the guy just kind of made these in his garage. He just took a piece of square tubing and cut the one side off of it, and that's how he welded that on. I mean, it would have been nice if he centered this hole better. He drilled it pretty close to the edge, a little closer than I would ever want to do it. But I don't care because the road, and I'll show you what I did. I bought a set of massive rear tubular control arms, and I have a sway bar again. Now I don't like the red. I'm probably going to take it off and paint it. The purple's growing on me, so I might leave it. But you can see the uppers, the lowers, and these guys right here, right there, that's my frame connectors. So now I don't have to worry about, you know, laying down too much power and having anything happen right there, because that's basically that frame connector comes up and connects to the same bolt, bolts on the same bolt as the upper. And that weak flimsy steel that you're looking at right now, I don't have to worry about anything happening to it, whether it's flexing or bending or breaking or mount ripping off or nothing, even though I added extra weld there long ago. Yeah, so the back should be good. Should ride a lot better. Looks better. And yeah, I'm excited to see what it's like to have a sway bar in the back, because I've never driven this car with a sway bar in the back. I've never driven this car with a sway bar in the front. Because when I did the air ride in the front, I just took the stock A-arms and I welded a plate, and you see where my bag mounted. But by doing that, I'll show you here. There's where the sway bar used to mount. It made it a little difficult to mount on. I mean, I could have probably cut this out, but I didn't. I just ran it without a sway bar. But anyway, I'm ditching those. The stock uppers, ditching those as well. And here we go. So I now have tubular uppers, tubular lowers. I have a sway bar again. It's a little bit bigger than factory. That came from Summit. CPP 2-inch drop spindle. The control arms, they're just an eBay buy. Yeah, I mean, I'm doing this on a budget, so I have to cheap out in some places, but they're actually a lot nicer than I thought. Like, these things are pretty hefty, especially the lowers. Like, they're beefy. I'm not upset at all about them. I like them. Don't like the red bump stop though. I have to do something about that. But I got it all in. It went in really fast and really easy. I mean, bolt-ons are nice sometimes. Custom's nice because you get to kind of be different from everyone else. But every once in a while, a bolt-in project is just it's just nice to do. It's a break. So yeah, there's where I'm at. I've got the front all done. I've got a sway bar again. and I've ordered Ride-Tech front suspension, like the front struts. So that's what I'm waiting on right now, and they're gonna bolt right into the factory location here. And I've been driving this car for 3 years now without any front shocks in it, because with the bags mounted right here, there was no place to put a shock, because factory you've got a shock inside the coil. But because I had the bag there, I didn't have any place to put a shock. So it'd be nice to have a real front suspension, sway bar shocks, you know, some good stuff. So that's where I'm at. And when I get the front struts in, I'll show you guys how I'm putting those in. But for now, bigger and better things.